Hi guys, tout d'abord un petit bonjour, un petit coucou comme d'habitude à nos amis du Québec francophone. Today we have a MacBook Pro model A1989 from year 2018. This MacBook works perfectly. It was liquid damaged. Okay, I only have one small problem, is that the microphone doesn't work. Okay, so everything else is working, the microphone doesn't work. And we're gonna test it here quickly. I already found the problem. I just want to make a video so you know what it is. So if I launch for the booth and I click and run a video, just do a quick test. This is just a testing microphone. Let's see if it works. Okay, as you can see, it's still not working. Okay, even though I already spent hours on it fixing the board, but it's still not working. But let me show you how to troubleshoot a microphone on this model. Okay, so first of all, this is the microphone cable. Okay, if you go, the first thing you might want to find out if there is power going to the microphone or not. The power on this model is on pin number 3. So when I received this MacBook, there was a 0-volt voltage on pin number 3. So I knew right away there was no power going to the microphone. I knew it was liquid damaged, and it was pretty bad actually. So first problem was this connector. Okay, it was completely burned, so I replaced it. Okay, and there was another problem on the other side, which I will show you on the screen, with the inductor. One of the inductor was completely blown, so the power was not going through. Okay, so I replaced that, and I replaced the connector. So now I get, let me show you, I got the power, but still the microphone doesn't work. And I was wondering what's going on, but I think I figured out the problem. But I just want to show you so you know. Okay, so the problem here, I'm gonna see if I can, I don't want to short the pins together, so I'm gonna see if I can go to pin number 3 and show you here. It should say 1.8 volt. There we go. You can see 1.8 volt, which means there is power going to the microphone. So it should be working. It should be fixed. But as you can see, when we tested it, it's not working. The reason why is because when I looked under the microscope again, when the liquid damage happened, it also completely damaged the, okay, let me see if I can come closer here. He also damaged the connector, the cable here. Let me see. Okay, there you go. If you look here carefully, pin number 3 is half gone, so there is no power going from the actual microphone, from the logic board to the actual microphone, vice versa. And I know that everything, the data line is good because I checked with the tracker. Okay, there is 6 pins in here. I checked all of them, they're all good. So I know the board should be good. So the problem is here now. So now I have two choices. Either I completely remove the microphone, okay, or I find a way to jump the wire from the microphone onto the logic board and fix it. So I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm gonna take my time, jump a wire, and I'll be right back, and I'll show you, and we'll test it again, make sure it's working. Well, hi guys, I'm back. So what I ended up doing, I ended up taking my time and jumped a wire, as you can see over here. Okay, so I connected the pin number 3 directly to the microphone that's broken, the pin that's broken, and we're gonna try it, and I'm pretty sure that should do the fix. And there was no need to replace, like they were told to, they will need a new logic board, which is fairly expensive because the microphone is not working and because of the liquid damage. So let's log in. Hard to see with the camera. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. So yeah, if you're located anywhere in Canada and you have an issue like that, just go on undoit.ca. You can get a label, a shipping label, and we'll take care of it for you. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as you're in Canada. If you have an issue with a MacBook, no matter what the problem is, that's all we do, MacBooks. So really good at it because we know, you know, MacBooks are pretty much inside out. Okay, so let's try the microphone again. Let's try the camera. Okay. Hi, this is a test. Hamad Benaicha here for testing microphone. Oh, that's the wrong video. Hi, this is a test. Hamad Benaicha here for testing microphone. There you go, fixed. So let me delete that one. That was the first one we did when the microphone was not working. So let's. This is a test. Hamad Benaicha here for testing microphone. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's try one more. Just to be safe. This one in French. Bonjour, c'est Hamad Benaicha. Ici, on est en train de tester le microphone pour voir s'il marche bien. Donc, si vous êtes au Canada et vous parlez français, il n'y a pas de problème. Ok. Bonjour, c'est Hamad Benaicha. Ici, on est en train de tester le microphone pour voir s'il marche bien. Donc, si vous êtes au Canada et vous parlez français, il n'y a pas de problème. Okay, so as you can see, microphone fixed. There was no need to replace the logic board. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please contact us. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Very important. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are located anywhere in Canada and if you have a MacBook with liquid damage on it and if it no longer works, or if you have a MacBook with a broken LCD, a MacBook with a GPU problem, a MacBook that stopped working all by itself and no longer powers up, a MacBook that does not charge, a MacBook with no backlight or a black screen, a MacBook with a USB-C, USB, HDMI ports not working, a MacBook that requires a new trackpad or new keyboard, a MacBook with a flashing folder, whatever it is, you name it, we can undo it. The shipping is free for most repairs no matter where you are located in Canada, so make sure to visit undoit.ca if you have a MacBook problem. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.